Next up, Ashika Recon for White Lotus. In this, we need to kill 5 Shadow Company soldiers and extract with 1 Shadow Company STB 556. This is one of the weapons that they carry. Now, killing Shadow Company soldiers is very easy. You find them literally everywhere on Ashika Island. It's an incredibly easy mission to do, but finding an STB 556 is a little bit more difficult. Now, of course, you don't need to carry it in your hands when you're extracting. You just need to have it somewhere on you, such as your backpack even. So if you have a large or medium backpack, then that's somewhere that you can put it, making life a bit easier for you if you bring in 2 weapons instead of 1. As you can see here, we have an STB 556. It's an AUG essentially. All we need to do is pick it up and put it in our backpack, for example. So I already have it. We'll get the actual points when we exfil from the map. Right, so all we need to do now is extract with this weapon. So I'll head to any extraction point, whether it's a hostage extract or of course just a normal exfil point, and we'll head out of this map. And there we go, climbing onto the heli. We should be able to get this mission done as soon as we finish extracting, and that's really it. So, thank you for watching. That has been Ashika Recon for White Lotus. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.